Hi guys, today we're gonna learn an Arabic song. The intro for the song, it's so easy. First of all, I'm gonna play it fast, then I'm gonna show you how to play it. Like this. It's all on the second string, like you can see. First, you go to the bar 7, you hit it twice. You go back to the bar 5, you also hit it twice. You go to the bar 3, you hit it once. Bar 2, you hit it twice. Then the second string, you hit it empty twice. And it will be like this. Then you go also to the bar 7, but you hit it once. You go to the 5, you hit it once, 7 once, 8 once, and then 5. It will be like this. 7, 5, 7, 8, 5. Like this. Then you go to the bar 3, you hit it twice. Bar 5, you hit it twice. Then bar 7, you hit it once. You go back to the 5, you hit it twice. The bar 3, you hit it once. Bar 2, you hit it twice. Like this. I'm gonna repeat it. On the bar 3 twice, bar 5 twice, bar 7 once, bar 5 twice, bar 3 once, bar 2 twice. Then after that you hit the second string empty twice. Like this. After you hit the second string twice empty, you go to the 12, bar 12. You hit it once. Bar 10, you hit it once. You go back to the 12 and you hit it once. Then you go to the 30 and you hit it once. Then you go to the 10 and you also hit it once. It will be like this. Then you go to the bar 7, you hit it twice. Bar 8 twice. Bar 10 once. You go back to the 8 once. Then 10. Then 11. You go back to the 8 once. It will be like this. Like this. Then you go back to the 7 and you hit it once. Bar 5 once. Bar 7 once. 8 once. And then you go back to the 5 and you hit it once. Like this. Then in the end you hit you go back to the bar 3 and you hit it twice. Bar 5 twice and then bar 7 once, and that's it. I'm gonna play it fast.